this Bible app right here was created with AI, and you too can also create this kind of Bible app and post it on Google Play Store just like this using Gemini AI. So this app right here have over 1 million downloads right here, and this 1 million download in AdMob right now will literally give you more than enough. Okay, so AdMob literally pay 3 to 20 USDT per 1,000 views. If you're just coming across my video at the first time, my name is Welly, and the video that you're about to watch right here is just what I'm doing. So subscribe and make sure you like and follow this video. I want to hear from you in the comment section. Say hi, Welly. Let's get started. So the first thing that you just have to do, go ahead and copy these prompts right here. So this is the beginning of creating Bible app. So what you just have to do next is just for you to go straight to your Chrome browser right here. Okay, so when you're in your Chrome browser, go ahead and search for Gemini AI. So you can also go straight to Google Play Store and download the app Gemini AI and then use it in your mobile phone. But right now, we'll be using this one right here on desktop mode right now. So if you're in this place, what you just have to do just for you to make sure you are on Pro. Head over to this place right now, paste the prompt. So then head over to this place right here, click on submit. So this is it right here. Gemini AI will literally give you some result. This is what it said. It said yes, 100% possible. This is it right here. So this is just what we need right here from this prompt. So the next thing you just have to do just for you to go ahead and paste the second prompt right here, which is this prompt right now. Go ahead and paste it right there. And then make sure you edit this. So this is the name of the app that I literally want to create right here. So all we just have to do just for you to go ahead and click on submit right here, and then you click on copy. So what you just have to do just for you to go straight to a new window right here and search for Stitch. So Stitch AI, which is this one right here, will be the one to generate the UI UX design for us. So which is this. So if you design the app, which is the Bible app for us. So this is the main interface of Stitch AI right here. So head over to this place, make sure you're in your mobile app right here, not a web app. So just head over to this place, go ahead and make sure your own is Siri Flash right here. This way you can literally post that prompt that Gemini AI literally generated for you. So this is it right here. So go ahead and click on generate right here on this place right now, so that Stitch AI can literally get to work and create UI UX design for this your Bible offline app for you. So this is it right here. Stitch AI have finally create the UI UX design for this Bible offline app for us. So now go ahead and highlight everything right here. So just go ahead and click on this place where it says export. So you click on export right here, you find yourself right here where it says AI Studio. So this is it right here. Click on build with AI Studio right here. This is right here. Google AI Studio will literally import all the image and the HTML that the Stitch AI designed for you. So this is it right now. Google AI Studio is working, and then so if you save anyone, then go straight to the other one, the HTML. Go ahead and save it. Download them inside your PC. So what you just have to do just for you to go ahead and copy these prompts right here. So this is it right here. Go ahead and start from this place to copy everything down to the last one right here, just as I'm also doing my own right now. So go ahead and paste this one right here. So before then, make sure you go ahead and select the modem that you literally want to be using. So there's a lot of modem available right here. Your screen, you can choose any of them right here. Okay, so probably I will be using this one right here for this tutorial purpose. So you can use different ones. So go straight to this place, make sure you select this one right here, which is build an Android app. Just go straight to this place and click on this place right here, which says build central right now. So this is right here. The code is literally available right here on Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is literally doing its work right now. So if you find out that if you want to install the app just like this, the app is showing something like this. So what you just have to do, head over to this place where it says export just like this. So go ahead and click on download as zip file. Extract this zip file just like this. So this is right here. This is the specific zip file. Go straight to this place where it says open folder in this place. Click on it right now. So what you just have to be doing right here, just go ahead and locate that particular folder. And this is the folder right here that we just extracted from that zip file. Click on it and then just go ahead and click on select right here. Go straight to this place on your Google Anti-Gravity right here. Paste it right here. All this right here will just be popping up. Go ahead and be clicking on yes and always allow. Now, Anti-Gravity have literally installed the app right here on my phone. This is the app right here. Let me click on the app. This is right here. Everything really working really good and fine. So we have to add video advertisement to be displaying on the app that we created right now. So to do that, go ahead and paste its prompt. This is the prompt right here. But don't worry yourself. Go ahead to my bio or my profile right here. You will find a link to go ahead and watch this video on YouTube. Then on the description of the video on YouTube, you will find a link to literally display all my prompts right there. So go ahead and literally edit this prompt. This prompt is literally a master prompt. I call it template. So just go ahead and paste your own
app units right here on this place. So to get your app units, go straight to your Chrome browser right here. If you do not have an account on Google AdMob, go ahead and sign up an account. It is free. Just with your Gmail address, you have an account right here, and then you go ahead and select your region, then go ahead and click on start using AdMob. So if you find yourself right here on the home page, make sure you get your account verified. This account is literally new. Go ahead and click on payments right here on this place so that you can click on verify. Make sure you get your account verified just like this. After then, just go ahead and click on app right here on this place. Then just go ahead and click on add apps. Go ahead and click on no, the app is not already on Google Play Store, or if you are creating iOS app, click on this, or Android app. So in this case, we are creating Android app. If the app is already published on Google Play Store, click on this place. If it is not, click on no. Now just go ahead and click on continue. Then just go ahead and name it. So you go ahead and click on add. You click on done. Click on add unit. So these are the ad units right here that you usually need to use to display an ad inside that app, and then you will literally earn money for it. So go ahead and select any one of your choice. This is banner ad. Go ahead and put in the name. Then you just go ahead and include this. Then go ahead and click on create ad unit. So these are all the ad units right here. Go ahead and follow this instruction just by copying this. Then go straight to the artigarity and then you paste it right here. So do the same thing with this one right here. So make sure you go through this prompt before you literally go ahead and do everything accordingly so that it can rhyme and align with this prompt. So after everything is done, go ahead and click on submit, tell artigarity to go to work and create everything for you. After AI have input the ads, which is all the ad unit that you selected right here, so you just have to look for a place to post your app. Then the app will literally generate income for you each time anybody download and install the app in their phone while using it. This is where Google Console account came in. This is the Google Console account right here. Sign up an account with your email address. It's totally free. Go ahead and use organizational account or probably a non-organizational account, but I will advise you to literally use organizational account, which is company or business account, to avoid stories that touches the art. If you select a company or a business, you will literally need a DUNS number, and in any country that you are, you need to register a business right there. I will not be able to explain how you can post an app right here on Google Console account because I don't literally want this video to be that long. Go straight to YouTube, look for some other tutorial teaching you how you can post an app in Google Play Store using Google Console. So a lot of videos are on that right there. So if you are looking for a way to get your DUNS number, if you are using a company or business account, I will literally get it for you just for free, but you will just only pay for my time. So if you manage to watch this video to this point, thank you very much. So I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Peace out.